Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. So today's setup is slightly different because I'm just chilling out on my bed because it is a very exciting Cherries haul today. If you've not heard of Cherries, they are kind of like an online B&M or an online Poundland, that sort of thing. And honestly, when they reached out to work with me, I was none the wiser. I had no idea who Cherries were. Honestly, I hadn't ever heard of them, and they very quickly became my favourite. So the first thing I did was jump over and check out their website, because I would never promote anything on my channel that I don't personally love. So before responding, I had to jump over and check it out, and I instantly fell in love. B&M and Pound Shop and all those sort of shops are my favourite, so to find an online B&M is my cup of tea. I was just like a kid in a candy store. So obviously I was over the moon that they wanted to gift me £30 to spend on their website so I can show you guys what you can pick up, and I got so many goodies. So I'm in heaven right now. The box could literally fit me in it. So I want to say a huge thank you to Cherries for gifting me the £30 to go wild. Like I said, I felt like a kid in a candy store. There are so many different categories as well on the website. You can get food and drink, you can get cleaning products, you can get home decor, you can get stuff for your pets. Literally, you think of it, they probably have it. And they're also offering my subscribers 20% off of your first purchase when you purchase in the app, and the app is completely free to download from the App Store, and it's super user friendly as well. I'm going to start off by showing you what I've got. I am going to start off with the food products because I bought a few foodie bits, a couple of home decor bits I think, but the majority is cleaning products because it's me. So I'm still gonna just buy what I personally want to buy, because like I said, this haul isn't sponsored. They haven't told me to say anything, they haven't told me to say I like it if I don't like it or anything like that. I would only ever promote something that I like, and I'm so excited for this. So I did already open the box, have a sneak peek, but I haven't used anything yet. I wanted to get it all out together. So let's dive in and see what we've got. So the first couple of things that I picked up were these coffees, and usually I drink decaf and occasionally I have a proper coffee, and I thought if I'm going to have an actual coffee as a treat, then I want it to really be a treat. So I picked up this iced coffee mocha because look at that, doesn't it just look, it looks so like summery to me. It's like summer's on its way. And I also picked up the latte caramel flavour because, again, if you need a pick-me-up, I'm pretty sure this will do it. So yeah, I picked those two up, and I also went ahead and picked up some gold bars, and I don't think I really need to explain why I picked up chocolate, but I don't think you can shop at a shop like Cherries that's like B&M or Poundland and not buy chocolate, you know? It's just something that you have to buy. So those are the food products that I got. So once I went into the food section, the next section I wanted to check out was the beauty section, because it's not really something I normally splash out on. I am on a tight budget. I've said that many times on my channel, and I think if I'm buying something, I'll always lean towards the cleaning products. So as I had this opportunity to pick up a few bits and try different products, I went ahead and picked this up. This is the vitamin C face cream, and I've heard so many things about vitamin C, so I thought I would give that a go. I also picked up this coffee body scrub, and I can't wait to use this one, to be honest. And then I also picked up the BioGlow nature inspired nourishing and moisturising cocoa butter. You know when you can read, but when you need to read to people you forget words? That happens, words are hard. But I ended up picking up this one. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think it's going to focus, but yeah, I can't wait to give this one a go, to be honest. Oh, it's got like a protective seal on, which is always good. Oh, that smells so good. So yeah, they do so many different things. Next thing I got was this room diffuser. I think it's in the mandarin, yeah, fruity mandarin. So the mandarin orange scents are my favourite, so when I saw this I had to pick it up, and I think it was £1. I think most of the stuff I'm picking up is £1, maybe £2 at most, but it is super cheap, so yeah, you can't really go wrong, can you? So I picked that one up. I have an obsession. If you watch my videos, you will know that I use white vinegar spray pretty much every day. So I definitely had to pick this bad boy up because I would be a little bit silly not to. And I also went ahead and picked up some more Cif cream because, again, you guys know how addicted I am to Cif cream. So I went a little bit further and bought all these. They made me so happy. I bought the original one that I use pretty much every day to clean at the sink with. I always pair these two together, definitely a good mix. But I also went ahead and got this one as well, and honestly, I don't know if it's just because it's pink and I'm that easily sold, but I had to try it, so I thought I would pick that up. I don't know if it smells different. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I might have a problem, but that smells amazing. I also went ahead and picked up the Cif Power and Shine antibacterial multi-purpose because I'm almost out of antibac spray, so I did pick up a few different ones, and I'm really excited to try this one just because I haven't ever tried this one before, but I know that I love the Cif cream, so thought I would give that one a whirl. Also went ahead and picked these up. I mean, look how cute they are. I couldn't not pick these up, and I don't use them in the wash, so I didn't need to get a big one, so I bought two smaller ones so I could get two different scents. But I actually like to put these in little mesh bags and pop them inside cushion covers or hang them in the wardrobe and just dot them around the house to make the house smell nice. So I can't wait to go around the house, get these in the little mesh bags and just make the whole house smell amazing. So these ones are the fuchsia and pearls, and then this is linen room, and they smell incredible. I could just literally sit and smell these all day. They're so strong, and yeah, you only need a few, but these smell amazing, so I have to try those out. I probably will try them in the wash even though I don't normally, but I'm a little bit fragrance mad. Next thing I picked up was some Fabulosa, and I love Fabulosa, but I do go a little bit obsessed with it. But the first one I got was the lemon sherbet disinfectant. I also got the watermelon disinfectant and then a lemon mint leaf spray disinfectant. So I can't wait to try these out. I use Fabulosa and Sephora every single day. Like, I am obsessed with the house smelling really fragrant, so yeah, especially the lemon one. Lemon and oranges, I don't think you can beat it. That's good. It's real good. Oh, I can't open it and I don't have the muscles. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Honestly, it's like Christmas has come early for me. Also went ahead and picked up some more Sephora. I've actually been looking for the bouquet one in the shops for ages, and I just can't seem to find it. In my like B&M and Pound Shop and that sort of shops, they only have the Linen Fresh. I can't find that, but they have so many different fragrances. I also picked up, I can't even pronounce this one, rhubarb and bergamot. Bergamot. This one. Oh. Well, that's nice. It's different. Oh, I've not actually smelt one like that before. I mean, obviously they all have their own scent, but sometimes they can sort of smell familiar, whereas that one just smells completely new. And then my bouquet, which just honestly smells like fresh flowers. So I also went ahead and picked up some more like minkies, and look how pretty these ones are. I actually like the fact that it's grey on the other side, because a lot of the time, or most of the time with like proper minkies, they're white, and you wipe something down once and it's stained and it just looks pretty gross. So I'm really glad that the scrubby side is grey on these ones. It's like on both of them. and this one's just a nice pretty pink colour, and then I have unicorns on this one. I just think it's so pretty, and it will go with my grey and pink theme that I've got going on downstairs. So yeah, really like these. I also went ahead and got some sink freshener because we do have a little problem with our kitchen sink, so I thought I would give those a go. There's so many things that I've seen on the Cherries website that I didn't even know I needed until I saw it, and then I was like, why did I not think of that before? I really need that. So really looking forward to trying that out. And I see loads of people using these eraser sponges, so I thought I would pick those up because I've never used them before, but I think I'm going to use them on my double doors downstairs because all you need to do is add water. So I'm really intrigued to see how these work. So talking about fragrances, I went ahead and picked up a plug-in. We don't have any plug-in air fresheners, and I don't know why, considering I'm so obsessed with fragrances. So I went ahead and got the Orchard Blossom plug-in air freshener, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this one like by the front door, so as soon as you walk in it just smells clean and fresh. And yeah, really looking forward to just having one on the go all the time. I also went ahead and got this. How cute is this? So it does extend so you can reach other places, and it is just so cute. I just think it's going to make dusting more fun as well, and I can like dust everything off before going in with my like polish. So yeah, this is just one of those things that I'm really glad that I have. I don't know how often I would use it, but I just love this. So the next thing I picked up was this grout pen because the grout in the bathroom is looking very worse for wear. So hopefully this is the right size. I'm not actually 100% sure, but I saw it and thought I would definitely give it a go. If it doesn't work in the main bathroom, I might be able to use it on the ensuite, but yeah, hopefully this works and I'm gonna have a super clean looking bathroom because it's looking very yellow. So I'm really excited to use that. So like I said earlier, I do get enticed quite a bit by pink things. I just love pink, so as soon as I saw this I needed it. We need a bleach anyway, but we don't normally go for this one, so I thought I would just pick up this one for the toilets and everything. And again, the bottle's pink. I am easily pleased when it comes to like colours, anything pink. The next up we have the interior dehumidifier with air freshener, and we already have one in the ensuite bathroom, but it needs changing, so I thought this would be the perfect time to pick one up. So I'm trying to smell it through the plastic, but I really can't. No, I can't smell anything, but I'm sure it smells amazing. But I needed one anyway, so I thought it would be good to pick that up. And this is the final thing, and like I said before, sometimes I don't realise that I need something until I see it. So scrolling a website definitely makes it 10 times easier to know what you want. This is the final thing that I picked up. It's some interior wipes for the car because I was cleaning out the car the other day and dusting it was so hard. It was honestly, dust was flying. 2 seconds later it had settled again. So as soon as I saw these I was like, why did I not think of that before? So I picked these up. But yeah, I have so many goodies. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to Cherries for gifting me this box of goodies. I am just so grateful and in love with everything. And please don't forget guys that you get 20% off of your first purchase when you go through the app, and the app is completely free to download. I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys to follow, and also I'm going to have the discount code on the screen here for you as well as down in the description box. But definitely go ahead. I'm just looking at everything that I managed to pick up for 30 quid, like what? So definitely go and have a look. I will definitely be shopping at Cherries probably weekly from now on, if not more, because like I say, it's just like B&M but online. It's just more convenient. The prices are ridiculously low. Everything was pretty much £1, so yeah, definitely recommend you guys go and check it out. Everything you need is going to be down in the description box below. But again, thank you so much to Cherries, and I will see you guys back here in my next video. Bye!